In front of us off the beach. We found over the last couple of days, if you look where grain terminal is and head out just to the left of the grain terminal, around the 4 metre mark, it'll be the maximum depth you're going to get out there anyway for most of it. That is where the bigger patches of fruit have been collected from. So if we work on that, that'll be great. Try not to drift off around the point so that we lose sight of you, please. Every dive pair will have a flag that will be tied to you so we know where you are in the water. Okay? Cool. Buddy wise, I will buddy you up in a moment. Stay with your buddy out there, please. It is very easy to get distracted and go chasing squirrels and things. You get in a good patch of seed and your buddy vanishes. At that point, if you can't find them, surface, find the flag. If you're the one that hasn't got the flag, because that's the only one that gets lost. The guy with the flag knows exactly where they are. Find the flag, come back down, join up and keep going. It is important that we please stay together. Now we're going to run an hour's dive out there. Because of the distance you need to swim, towards the end of the time that we give you to come back, around that last 10 minutes, start to think about turning around and swimming back in. You can do that under the water, but I'd like to see heads popping up at that hour mark, just so we know who's there. Make sure you have gloves, please. There are times that things can be growing on the seeds or on the grass itself that could cause you some irritation, so make sure you've got gloves. Before you go in the water, once we're down there, we'll have another chat. For those who are new to us, we'll go through the nets and what we're doing. The seed picking itself is relatively easy. The net goes over the top of the seeds. You just give it a bit of a wriggle, and the seeds that are ripe will just pop off and float up into the net. But we'll show you the nets. Hard to get an idea of what we're doing. Did you come to the induction sessions? No. Cool. Cool. Easy. We'll go through it. It's easy. We'll put you with someone who knows what they're doing anyway, so you can watch that. First aid gear, we've got it all here. So if you have a problem while you're out in the water, come up, give us a big wave. And
you'll come get us?
Well, yeah, I keep thinking about that. I don't know. We'll see.
Is that a carton of beer as well?
I'll see how far I can drive the Land Rover out. I'll float out to you. So first aid gear's here. If we need to, we will get ambulances and all that stuff necessary to make sure you're safe. If you are floating around there, have a look back at the beach, please. I might give you an are you okay? Flash it back to me, just so that I know that you're doing all right.
Geez, outdoors, it's Sunday the 19th of November and I'm still getting over COVID. We're seagrass seed collecting today out here in the black. Hopefully we're going to get lots of seeds. Today I'm using my hooker system, well, power dive system. It's an air pump, beautiful little thing. Net for the seeds. Lithium battery, it gives me about 2 hours plus on the water. Constant flow of air, so it's actually pretty good. This is my ring that it all sits in, and keeps it cool because it sits underwater. Well, it sits on the water line. The that little yellow hose there goes into this cylinder. That cylinder can do 2 people, or 1 in this case. I've got 6 meters of hose. I've got a weight vest because I have 4 bulging discs in my back and it freaking hurts. And the weight vest makes it a little bit easier. I'm going to try a GoPro housing attached to the net and see how that goes, see if we can video some of it. And of course fins, gloves, so we don't cut our hands when we're picking the fruit. And my headscarf to keep my head not getting burnt. Alright, let's get out there, let's get wet. Okay, here we are at the seed harvesting area. Well, sorry, seed floating area. The important job is to get rid of all the fruit that's popped. So we're just pumping up water from the ocean there, or from the marina. We've got 8 tanks this year, it's pretty awesome. You see here a lot of fruit has popped. So there's lots of seeds on the bottom of this one. All the seeds go to the bottom, they open these cocks here. Little net there, collect the seeds, and they take them out in the boat. Look at that. Have a looky-loo. And a lot of seeds just there. So the idea of the pumps gives it the natural swirling motion. The pods would get out in the ocean because you've got the sun coming down on them. Lots of seeds. Or lots of fruit, I should say. I'm going to stop calling them seeds. The seeds on the bottom. Yeah. University of UWA, Ozfish, and tank supplied by the Water Corporation, Western Australia. Everyone's getting involved. Look out the environment, let's get wet.
Okay, we're recording.
Hey, Juice Outdoors. Done my seagrass collecting. And I got a big bag of seed. Woo! Thank you, UWA. Legend.